Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel, where we strive to make you feel like royalty during all your special occasions. My name is Aisha, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my 5-inch mini garlands. And the method that I'm going to be using is the 260Q method. So I blow all my 5 inches up to about 3 inches, and I use a balloon sizer for this. So basically what you want to do is you want to make a whole bunch of quads. Now a quad is 4 balloons tied together, and to get that you're going to make 2 dupes. So 2 pairs of 2 balloons tied together by their necks. As you can see here, I have my 2 dupes, and now I'm going to be twisting them together to form a quad. Now for my mini garlands, I use about 20 to 28 balloons, which is about 5 to 7 quads. Now as for anything else regarding balloons, you can add as much or as little as you want. Like I said in the beginning, we're going to be using a 260Q, which are these long stretchy balloons that are used for balloon animals. You're going to take the closed end of that 260 and tie it around your first quad, and then you're going to make a double knot in it to make sure that it's nice and secure. After you've made that double knot, you are going to lay your first quad flat to make it easier to add the second one on top. Now you're going to stretch your 260Q a little bit, and then you're going to take your next quad, make sure that it's laying flat as well, and you're going to place it on top. Now we're going to tie these together using the figure 8 method. So you're going to go over and around a balloon of the new cluster that you added, and then you're going to go back down and wrap it around a balloon from your first quad. I'm going to slow it down so you can see the figure 8 movement. So you're going to add the new quad on top, you're going to take the 260Q and wrap it around a balloon of the new quad, and then you're going to go back down and wrap it around a balloon in one of the existing quads. And then you're going to take your 260Q back up and tug on it to make sure that it's extra secure. And then you're just going to continue until you have your desired length. Now let's say you want to make a really long mini garland. What you're going to do is you're going to take the end of the 260Q that you're working with and add another one to that. Double knotted, and then you basically have an extra long 260Q to add your quads onto. And then you can just make it as long as you would want. Now when you get to the end of your mini garland, you're going to take the 260Q and the neck of one of the balloons on top, and you're going to tie that together to just tie it off and make sure it's extra secured. And then you can add it to your garland either using the necks, a half of a 260Q, or maybe even a rubber band, whatever method you prefer. And that basically wraps this video up, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and learned something from it. And as always, you can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.